Hello friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing future gadgets that are expected to arrive in the market in the coming years. These gadgets will completely reshape our lives. So, let's get started. First, we have AR smart glasses. These glasses will show you the digital world along with the real world. Maps, notifications, and even videos will appear floating right in front of your eyes, just like a science fiction movie. Next is the rollable smartphone. It looks like a normal phone, but the screen can roll out to become as big as a tablet. Easy to fit in your pocket, but works like a full big screen. This technology is already being tested. Now let's talk about flying taxis. No more traffic jams, you'll travel straight through the sky. Tests are already happening in Dubai and China. Imagine booking an Uber. And instead of a car, a small helicopter-like taxi picks you up. The next gadget is the AI robot assistant. It will be your personal helper for house chores, reminders, and even companionship. You may have seen smart speakers, but this will be a full robot that understands and responds. And finally, the hologram display phone. Everything on the screen will appear as a 3D image floating in the air. You'll experience videos, games, and calls in a truly futuristic way. Thanks for watching.